Hello, beautiful and amazing people. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. I hope you are doing great wherever you are watching this video from. In this episode, I've brought together beautiful and super classy cornrow braid styles that you can rock as a black woman. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about these cornrow styles, and share with me if you have a favorite in today's hairstyle compilation. And if you enjoy watching this video, do want to give it a thumbs up and share the video with others so they get to see this amazing hairstyles collection. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Prestilex Home of Fashion, where you get updated on the latest and trending fashion styles. You also get to see amazing hairstyles collection on this channel. If these are the kinds of videos that you enjoy and love watching, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when I upload a new video on the channel. Thank you so much as you consider subscribing to my channel. You're welcome once again to this fashionista family, and I want to thank you so much for watching this video up until this moment. Endeavor to watch till the end so you don't miss out on any of these beautiful hairstyles compiled for you, and I'm going to see you in another beautiful, exciting and interesting episode on the channel. Always remember to stay glued, stay connected to this channel for more beautiful styles that come in your way. Do have a lovely day. Bye.